Tracy here with another video, an unboxing video. And today we're unboxing the Love from Lizi Bugs and Kisses March 2025 card kit. You're gonna love it. Let's jump in. Okay, so here we go. Are you excited? I'm excited. Honestly, I've already opened this, but it is what it is. So I'm going to show you, first of all, the extras that I ordered. So I got these little sparkly enamel dots, and then I got this little frame, this little filigree type frame. And then I got some papers, and these are all neutral papers. So each month, from being a design team member, we get to spend some money at the store, and so these are the things that I selected this month. And so there's just lots of different neutrals in this paper pack. We'll set that aside, but because I want to really get to the meat here of the Bugs and Kisses, so wait till you see. Let me get this open here. And tell you what, friends, when I'm done unboxing, I will make a card for you. I like to have at least one project along with my unboxing. I'm just carefully trying to get all this out. There's a lot in here. Okay, so we start with the two 5x7 circle window cards, and I'm looking for them in the pile here. Where are you guys? I know you're here somewhere buried, probably. Where are they? There they are. So they already got a window in them, so you can have a lot of fun making something with those. And there are matching envelopes. So you get two of those. And then you get two A5 sheets of specialty cardstock. But let's look at the regular cardstock. So we've got the royal purple. We've got the sky blue. We've got the emerald green, and this is all nice heavy cardstock. And we've got the white alcohol marker paper. And then we've got the fuchsia pink. So the kit comes with all 5 of those pieces of cardstock. Now, what's next? What's next? The specialty paper. So you get a piece of an A5 sheet of, this is called gunmetal mirror. And then there's also a sheet of acetate, the A5. Hard to see, but there it is. And then you get these two 6x6. You get this mesh tool and this beautiful iridescent paper. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but definitely going to do something with it. So then we've got the pinstripe apple green with silver finish. Those are brand new. And then we've got the 6x6 papers. Now look at how cute these papers are. So you're going to get 12 sheets, and they're all single-sided. So you don't have to choose a side. You get one side. And this one has the little lanterns and the little moths and the little dragonflies and more of the kind of lanterns, little butterflies and leaves. I love these spotted moths. They're probably my favorite, especially that shade of blue. And then you've got some little moths and little candles. And then you've got the little lanterns with little flowers. And then you've got some cut-aparts, which are handy. 2 different ones. And then we've got more of the lantern on kind of a purpley color background. And then we've got the lanterns and the light bulbs, which are super cute. And there's that one. There's another piece down there. Do you see it? It's there. I'll pull it out here eventually. We've got the ephemera, and I'm not going to open the ephemera pack, but just trust me, when you see here what's on top, everything underneath it is just as beautiful. There's that other piece that goes with these 6x6 papers. So that's the Bugs and Kisses ephemera, and then the Bugs and Kisses stamps and coordinating stencil. So aren't those beautiful stamps? I can't wait to play with them. Let's pull that stencil out and see how that might work. And it looks like you can do the butterfly with it. Do one in this color maybe, and the other color. I see myself coloring this with markers, but there's that. And then the stencils for the little leaves and things like that. And you've got sending bugs and kisses, birthday wishes, flying by to say hi to my love bug, and a happy hello. Then we've got this big old baggie full of goodies. Now let's dump this out. There's a lot of goodies in here. So we've got the Wild Sky wax stamp. So you can see it's got trees and stars and a moon. And then we've got the emerald green wax candle. And we got 3 of the Love Silver foiled topper sentiments. And this is the bag of mini iridescent butterflies. Aren't those pretty? Yes. So these all say with love, and there are 3 of them, and they already have a pop-up on the back of them, so that's super handy. We've got 2 strips of gems. We've got a row of 3 of 2mm and a row of 2 of 6mm little clear gems. And we've got the die. Let's see, we've got these ribbons here, and it's just an iridescent ribbon in lilac, emerald, and white. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. I love all the iridescence. Goes great with dragonflies. And then the sentiment says, hello, sweet friend. Or sweet friend, hello. However you want to put it. Good size sentiment die. And then there's an exclamation point. Try not to cough, friends. Sorry about that. So we've got the pinstripe bundle, which is blue mirror, silver mirror, fuchsia mirror, and purple mirror. Lots and lots of peel-offs. These are extras or add-ons. And then we've got the variety bundle, which is the matte silver sway. And then the butterfly border. And then a mauve, which are mauve moon dust, mini circle, silver holographic, and straight mint moon dust. And then finally we've got the mirror bundle, the Bugs and Kisses mirror bundle. And this is some, looks like A5 mirror cardstock. See if I can get this open. So we've got purple, we've got blue, we've got gold, we've got fuchsia or pink, we've got silver, and then we have grass. Lots and lots of stuff in this kit. I can see lots of cards coming from it. And then there's the envelopes. So let's go ahead and I'll put this stuff kind of back in the box, and then we'll build a little card here. So you can see here I've dumped out the ephemera, and I've got this piece of silver mirror cardstock, and I've got a piece of the 6x6 pattern paper. And so I'm going to create a simple card. And you can make lots of simple cards with this kit and still have plenty left over to do. So I'm going to cut down this silver, and I'm going to cut it to 5 1/4 by 4. And I'm cutting the 5 1/4 on the long side because that strip is usable. So there's going to be my first layer. Now I'm going to take this beautiful white with blue with the little light bulbs and little moths, and I'm going to cut that to 4 or 3 3/4 by 5. And those are ready to go. Oh, I love that ephemera. The colors are just gorgeous. And I'm going to go ahead and just stick this piece down to the other piece. And I'm going to use my tape runner here today, if I can get it to work. Sometimes I struggle with that thing too. And we'll just get that laid down there nice and even. Like I said, this is a super easy card to do, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, and then let's see. I think I want to put, and I know you're seeing a big mess here, but I want you to be able to see the kit and see everything that's in it while I'm working with it. I'm going to grab a piece of blue, a blue card base, And I'm going to stick this all down to the blue card base. I'm fighting coughing, guys. Sorry about that. If I get quiet, I'm trying very quietly to clear my throat. Make sure that's good and stuck down. I love it on the blue card base. Of course, you would need to put a piece of white on the inside for, you know, writing your sentiment and things like that. So I'm going to grab this beautiful lantern piece of ephemera. Oh, gosh, I love that so much. I'm going to tape that straight down. I'm not even going to glue it. I'm going to tape it if I can make the tape work. There we go. I'll just stick that one straight down. And then I'm going to grab this light bulb with the little moth on it. I love that. I think the light bulbs are so cool. And I will pop that up on some foam tape. And I'm just using some strips here and just kind of wrapping them around. Since they don't have any sticky on the back, you can do that with them. Get that one stuck down. Trim it off. Get a couple little more pieces on here. See if I can snake that one around and make quick use of it. There we go. And I'm just going to pop this up right on top of that lantern. Super easy. Just grab a little bit of glue. See if I can get my glue running here. Okay. Oops. Don't you hate it when that happens? Especially when you're working with mirror cardstock. No biggie. It can clean off. I'll just grab my microfiber cloth and just polish that right off of there. There we go. No problemo. Okay, and now I need a little sentiment here, I think. So let me grab the stamp set. And I think I'm going to do Flying By to Say Hi. So I'll go ahead and cut the top off of this. It's just easier to deal with these things from the top than it is trying to deal with that sticky bottom stuff. Stay tuned for when I try to use the wax thing. I'm not very good at wax seals at all. Okay, I'm just going to grab a white piece of paper here. Grab my stamp out, lay it down in my platform. I'm going to pick it up and then just give it a little rub with my fingers. Then I'm going to grab some VersaFine Clair, and I think I'm going to use Medieval Blue to kind of coordinate nicely with the blue in the card, the kind of blues and purples. You don't always have to use black. I like the blue, it's perfect. Okay. Let me just wipe off my stamp here and put it away. I can't wait to play with those light bulbs. Okay, and I'm going to just roughly bubble fussy cut this Flying By to Say Hi. Let's just kind of scoot these carefully aside here. I'm just going to use my big scissors, and like I said, I'm not trying to do a perfect job, just kind of doing a rough bubble cut. Try not to smudge the ink. Get that out of my way. There we go. I love it. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, my tweezers. I'm just going to add some liquid glue, and I'm just going to glue this straight down. Super easy first card, friends. There we go. Got a lovely little card with a beautiful silver kind of matte layer. And that's it. Hope you like this. Give it blah, blah, blah. Maybe you caught my blooper there, but I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will have everything you need listed in the description box down below. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.